symbols of flowchart?
A flowchart is commonly used by systems analysts to visualize the series of processes in a business system. A flowchart is a useful tool to design an efficient system and to troubleshoot or improve an existing system. A flowchart consists of elements such as the terminator, process, subprocess, decision, arrow lines, and connector.
What is a terminator in a flowchart?
Start when symbol, also known as the terminator symbol. This symbol represents the start points, end points, and potential outcome of a path. Often contains start or end within the shape.
What is process in a flowchart?
A process flowchart is a diagram that shows the sequential steps of a process and the decisions needed to make the process work within the chart. The visual representation, every step is indicated by a shape. These shapes are connected by lines and arrow to show the movement and direction of the process.
What is a decision flowchart?
A decision flow diagram can consist of a subdivision to demonstrate sequential steps. Appropriate explanatory geometrical figures are used to represent operations, data, or equipment, and arrows are used to signify the sequential flow from one to another.
What is input and output in flowchart?
Input-output symbol, also referred to as the data symbol. This shape represents data that is available for input or output, as well as representing resources used or generated, while the paper tape symbol also represents input-output. It is outdated and no longer in common use for flowchart diagram.
What is a connector in a flowchart?
In some drawings, like flowcharts and organizational charts, you need to connect shapes to indicate the flow of the operation, procedure, or logic. In Visio, the lines connecting two objects are called connectors. A connector attaches itself to a connector point on a shape or to the shape itself.
What is the arrow lines in flowchart?
The arrow is used to guide the viewer along their flowcharting path. And while there are many different types of arrow tips to choose from, we recommend sticking with one or two for your entire flowchart. This keeps your diagram looking clean, but also allows you to emphasize certain steps in your P.